Welcome to Simply Fun's How to Play Math Room, a game where players must think fast, solving addition and subtraction problems. You can play Math Room with 2 to 4 players ages 5 and up. Math Room is good for developing addition and subtraction skills, as players complete and solve the equations on their boards. Math Room also helps with quick thinking skills, as players compete against one another to be the first to ring the bell when they need to flip their key to the other side. In each Math Room box, you'll find 4 double-sided Math Room boards and window tokens for each player. There is also 4 double-sided keyboards, a bell, and the wooden die. To set up the game, first, place the metal bell in the middle of the table so all players can reach it. Next, each player will choose one character's Math Room board and the 10 window tokens that match the shape of the windows and the color of the roof. Each math board has 2 sides, and players may choose to play on either side. Players will also select one keyboard of their choice. Keyboards have addition on one side, the gold side, and subtraction on the other side, the silver side. Players may start with either side facing up. To begin play, the first player rolls the wooden die. After the roll, all players match the color rolled to a color on their keyboard to complete the math equation. The handle sections on the keys contain part of an incomplete equation, like +1, +4, or -10, -8. Players complete the equation using the numbers on the color of their keyboards that match the color rolled on the die. Once the equation is solved and the players have a number, they find the corresponding number on their math boards and cover it with a window token, sort of like bingo. For example, if orange is rolled, all players look at their keyboards to see what number is in the orange space. Barry's contains a 6, and his key has +4 on the handle. So Barry would add 6 + 4, and then cover up the number 10 on his Math Room board with the window token that has 10 on it. Note that if any other player solves an equation with a number that is already covered on his board, he can ring the bell and flip his keyboard over to the other side and complete the equation with a different math operator. Only the first player to ring the bell per turn may do this. If the player cannot use the solution to the new equation, it's already covered, his turn is over. After all players have solved their equations and placed their tokens on the windows, play continues clockwise, and the next player rolls the die. There is one special roll of the die that mixes things up a bit. If a player rolls the key symbol, he calls out, "Switch to the left," or "Switch to the right." At this time, all players must pass their keyboards in the direction called, same face up, and continue play with a new key. No equation is solved during this turn, and play continues with the next player rolling the die. The game ends when the first player has covered all 10 numbers on his math board and wins the game. Think fast, solving equations on your key, and be the best innkeeper in town with Math Room.